Hey guys, so in my last video I unboxed the Yeezy Butter, and they were a nice little addition to my collection, which I've started doing now. And what you have here is the Y3 Harigane, if that's the right pronunciation, but let's kind of look on the side. You've got Y3 Harigane and 9.5 size UK, and it's a nice box. Y3 are a little bit more of a premium version of the standard Adidas shoes by Yohji Yamamoto, as written there. So let's kind of go in and see what you get in the box. And what you normally get is different to the Y3s compared to the normal Adidas shoes. So what you get here is a nice little card here with a little bit of information. You have an extra pair of laces that come with these. These are the white versions. And interestingly, they give you two bags here, carrying cases or travel bags, which you can put the shoes in. And this is just the branding that you get with it. So a nice Y3 branding with Adidas and Yohji Yamamoto written there. So you get two of these. That's cool. I mean, if you have an extra pair or whatever, you can use these for that. And the colorway that I got was the blue versions, and they come in three versions. There's a white version, a black version, and obviously here you've got the blue. These are the shoes itself. Let's kind of move these over here, and you've got the shoes side by side. So the cool thing about these shoes is they're quite unique in my opinion, and they bring a bit of luxury to the shoes itself with a bit of leather and some nice materials. So how the shoe looks is you've got a nice soft blue knit material over here, which is the main body of the shoe itself, and they've got holes as well, so it's got nice breathing ability for your feet when you're wearing them. And on the side you've got a nice leather piece here and a leather piece here, and a last leather piece here, which is holding the strings over there for the laces. And the body of the shoe is held by these strings that go across the whole shoe itself. If I can get this within the camera just to show you guys, it comes across here and it goes there, and it's linked up to this plastic piece here on both sides, which is cool actually. And it's not like so in your face with the Adidas logo. It's kind of got these three stripes here, which I assume is kind of bringing in the Adidas flair to the shoe itself. So yeah, these are how the shoe look, and I quite like them. They're quite unique. You've got a nice soft white material here with the signature of Yohji Yamamoto over there, and a bit of words written here, which is the brand with the three stripes, and Y3's there. So overall, I mean, like how the shoe looks, it's quite unique. It does stand out. The kind of branding and everything, it just kind of pops out, and people will notice these, in my opinion. Yeah, so at the bottom you've got a full rubber kind of sole. It's not as comfortable as the Yeezy Boost, but you know, they're still okay. I mean, it's got a nice support over here as well, this white kind of rubberish material here, and the sole is supported as well on the side. Yeah, let's kind of get the sole piece out as we normally would like to see. Yeah, so the insoles are very interesting. They're very soft, and they've got a nice outer black rubberish coating on top of the blue soft material here. These are definitely more comfortable than the Yeezys in my opinion, and we've got the branding over there as well. So yeah, these are quite cool. Let's put these back in. You do have in the back where the heel is I don't know if you guys can see that, but Y3 is written there with the same kind of lettering that you have on the front of the lip over here. So that's a nice little touch there. And the cool thing about these shoes is they've added a little bit of luxury into the shoe itself. So in my opinion, these are more lifestyle type of shoes. They don't have the Adidas three stripes down the side, so it's, in a way, I kind of prefer that. They do have quite a subtle touch here with the plastic and the rubberish materials that they've used. Yeah, so these are quite, I'm quite impressed with the shoes itself. This is the first time I've ever bought Y3s. So if you have any questions or anything, let me know. In terms of how they feel in the shoe, they're very comfortable. The size of the shoes are true to fit, so don't kind of go half a size up, which I normally do with the originals. Yeah, so let's kind of go through a small little clip of me wearing them, just so you guys can see how they look and feel. And if you have any comments, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks guys.